Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could insert or add a watermark or a logo to your Excel worksheet. To do so, open the concerned sheet, click on Insert, and click on Header and Footer under Text Options. Once done, you want to either click in the middle if you want to insert your logo in the middle, or on the right, or on the left. Once you located where you want your logo to be inserted or which side, click on Picture. And here you have three options. You can either locate your picture from OneDrive Personal or the Watermark. You can import a logo or watermark from Google or Bing, or you can do it from a file from your local computer. Currently, I will use the first option and click on it. Next step, I will select and click Insert. Click anywhere to see the picture. If you want to change the formatting, the size of the logo or the watermark, go back again to Insert, Header and Footer, click where you have your picture or your logo and click Format Picture. Here you can adjust by percentage, and once done, just click OK and it should be fine. If you still wish you want to crop the picture or the watermark, go again back to Header and Footer, click where you have your picture, Format Picture, and here you have the options to crop your image or your picture. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.